Come on, bitch. Track it. I found myself a tree. You know what? One of the biggest signs of health is how resilient your body are. How much freaking damage and stress your body can take if it needs to. Or if you choose to abuse your body. Because back in the days, people were working hard and people were playing hard. If you wanna freaking stress your body out all the freaking time, you could do that for decades. That's what all the rock stars did, the pro wrestlers, the actors, many working men. Now people were freaking working incredibly hard compared to these days. And then people were on top of that partying like a freaking animals, drinking all kinds of drugs, and everybody was healthier than we are. What the hell happened? How could these people be this resilient to stress and things that actually damage human beings, but they could do that for decades? Obviously, now you can see that, like nowadays in the 50s, 60s, 70s, people very fucked up. Many died because of that lifestyle. But still, if the 20-year-olds these days would try that, they would die at 30, bro. Max 40. Like people these days, nobody even wants to work, which I understand. Like if you wanna go full matrix, which means working incredibly hard for this system, and then partying with all this nonsense, using drugs, all this shit that people used to do. That's actually very bad for humans. That's going full matrix, working for the system and enjoying the pleasures that the system gives to human beings. But if you wanna do that, you could do that in the 80s, 90s, 70s, 60s. But these days, nobody even can work hard anymore. Their bodies just cannot withstand the work. And on top of that, if you wanted to play hard on top of that, man, you would be dead in a couple of years. Couple of years and it will be over for you, my dog. It just goes to show how different people were back in the days. Everybody was built different. Like I have heard so many stories that people lived like absolute animals for decades. And they're still around. Some of them kinda fucked up state. But they're still around though. And they could do that for a long while. What the hell was that? Nowadays, you're doing basically nothing and you get sick. amount of toxicity. Back in the days you could choose to put toxic things in your body. You could choose that if you wanted to. These days you have no choice. Our world is incredibly toxic. That's one of the biggest things. Like if you're born in the 2000s, maybe you don't realize this. Maybe you have not looked back what the people used to be doing. People back then, they were built different compared to us. Every one of us is a weak little bitch compared to those people. And that's one of the biggest things to show us that, man, we be fucking it up every which way possible when it comes to our health. Now do you need raw chicken to bring back the resilience? Of course. Of freaking course you do. Your tummy cannot handle salmon Nutella, and you tell me you can work hard and play hard? I don't think so, body boy. You're not eating meat off the bone, and you think you can have some kind of resilience in you? I don't think, body boy. I don't think, dude. Anyway, start asking your parents or grandparents what people were like back in the days. Everybody was drinking like a motherfucker, smoking like motherfuckers, working like animals. And they could still function. These days, everybody needs to be a freaking biohacker with those stupid ass classes on. And you still can't handle little stress. You still get your feelings hurt. Now, that doesn't mean that stress is good. You never should look out for stress. That's just insanity, bruh. But if you need, sorry. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. We were about done anyways. Work hard, play hard. Nobody can do that shit anymore. Or some people can. Very few. I've seen very few people, and all those people were built different. Alright guys. See you in the next one. Bye.